Hello everyone, this is Emilio, and in this video I'm going to show you a production style food delivery service like Uber Eats. It's a voice agent built using LiveKit agents capable of browsing menus, adding items to a cart, and completing checkout, all using your real-time voice. So it's a real-time bidirectional voice architecture using WebRTC, structured tool calls, and persisting application state. So let's start with the home page. Here we've got food court, and we have our tiles very similar to what you might see in something like DoorDash or Uber Eats. And if we go up to the top, we're going to start with our concierge experience. This is going to be our agent. And this version uses LiveKit for real-time audio transport, as well as a Python AgentServer for orchestration and tool execution. So let's go ahead and start a new session.
Hello, Emilio. What are you in the mood for today?
I think I'm in the mood for some cheesecake. Can you help me find it?
I found 2 cheesecakes for you. 1. Classic New York cheesecake from Harvest and Hearth Kitchen, $9.95. Tropical coconut cheesecake from Island Breeze Caribbean, $9.95. Which one would you like to add to your cart?
Can we add 2 of the tropical coconut cheesecakes from Island Breeze to my cart?
I've added 2 tropical coconut cheesecakes from Island Breeze to your cart. Would you like to check out or do anything else?
Let's proceed to checkout.
Your order is confirmed. Order ID VO275405, totaling $20.97. You can expect delivery in about 30 to 45 minutes. Enjoy your cheesecakes. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your cheesecake. If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Our agent's very helpful. So that's the entire experience. Browsing, selecting, adding to a cart, and checkout was all driven entirely through voice. Now, LiveKit handles real-time audio streaming, and the Python server handles your speech-to-text, your reasoning, your tool orchestration, and Supabase handles all of the data on the backend. Let's look at the LiveKit dashboard so you can see what this looks like. So here inside of LiveKit, we have our session, and inside of our session, we have a room. And inside of that room, we have some players. We've got our publishers here, which was myself, the user, as well as the agent. And here you can see all of the information around that particular session, as well as latency and a number of graphs and a number of events that went on. So you can see everything for each of these transactions all within the LiveKit dashboard. Let's also now take a look at the architecture. Now here, Next.js mints a secure LiveKit token and creates a room. The browser joins that room using WebRTC. The Python AgentServer also joins as an agent participant. The agent handles the speech-to-text, the LLM reasoning, the structured calls, like asking for the menu, asking to add something to the cart, and well as we store all that information inside of Supabase. Now, the agent also returns audio responses and structured UI events. So that's why you saw those cards pop up on the screen as opposed to just showing you text. So this pattern clearly separates transport, reasoning, and state management. This is ideal for voice-first applications where you've got low latency, you've got bidirectional streaming matters, as well as for commerce, for support automation, concierge services, or operational workflows. One key takeaway is that it's not just voice output, it's actually layered on top of application user experiences. This is all real time, event-driven architecture built in a production-style interaction. Now, if you'd like to see more examples of production-grade AI systems like this, like, share, please subscribe, and let me know in the comments below, what kind of applications would you build that are similar to this? I'm very interested to find out. If you guys have any questions at all, my name is Emilio again. Thank you all very much.